subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I hope that all of you in ping of health. Alright, today we will continue our unit 1. It is personal here. Personal, as you know, personal. And today our topic is about grammar. And subtopic today is present simple, present continuous, and stative verbs. Right, let's talk about the objective here. The first one, at the end of the lesson, students are able to explain. Right, you are able to explain about present simple, present continuous, stative verb. And then you can identify which one is present simple, which one is present continuous, and which one is stative verbs. And the last one, I hope that you will give it your own examples about present simple, present continuous, and stative verb. Let's discuss. Alright, turn to page 9. Today, grammar 1, we want to talk about present simple. Alright, we talk about the present simple here means that apa yang kita buat pada masa kini. For example, we talk about facts and permanent situation, maksudnya fakta. Alright, I live in a big house with my extended family. Alright, we just have a lesson about my extended family. I live in a big house. Here we can see that I, alright, as a subject, live as a verb here, alright, as a verb. Why? I live, not I lives, because there is a special with you and I. We come back with the root word. Alright, now we go for the next one. General truth and law of nature. Alright, general truths and laws of nature. The sun sets in the evening. Alright, the sun sets. Here we can see the sun only singular and we put s here, in the evening. As you know that we see the sunset in the evening. Habits and routines. Here means that we always do these activities. We always visit New York in the summer. Right, we visit. Right, timetables and programs. Right, future. For example, my partner's plan arrives at 5 o'clock. Here arrives. Here my partner plans, maksudnya seorang singular. That's why we put es ataupun s at 5 o'clock. Now we can see a present simple. We talk about reviews, stories, and sport commentaries. The story is about a young girl and her friend. Here we can see that the story is singular and we use is. For plural we use are. Right, that is about the present simple, but different with your present continuous. Alright, here we have a several part here. We want to discuss present continuous. Maksudnya keadaan semasa yang berterusan. Alright, here number 1, actions happening at the time of speaking. Before that, I want to talk about is and are plus ing for the present continuous. Alright, here to make it you understand about the present continuous. For example, action happening at the time of speaking, that is making dinner in the kitchen. Right, we can see now that is making dinner in the kitchen, and we can say that always, alright, cook for your dinner. Temporary or changing situation. My cousin is staying with us for the holidays. Alright, we can see my cousin, only one here. Alright, is we plus ing with us for the holidays. Right, as usual. She is becoming more and more frustrated means that now she after that frustrated. For the next situation, still frustrated. That is present continuous. Alright, annoying habits, often with adverbs like always. Alright, adverb. Always is adverbs. Alright, my coach is always criticizing me. Alright, my coach, alright, is, and then we plus ing. And the next one we want to talk about present continuous is plans and arrangements here. Alright, let's talk about future. She is not seeing her friends tomorrow. Right, maksudnya ialah dia tahu dah sekarang ni dia takkan jumpa kawannya esok. Alright, now we talk about stative verb. Alright, stative verbs describes states. Alright, states, not an action. Alright, we know that talk about feelings, perasaan, emotions, emosi, the sense. What do you feel? Apa yang kamu rasa? State of minds, apa yang kita fikir. Possession here. Alright, now as we know that we do not use them in continuous tenses. For example here, there are several examples here. Alright, my mother hates doing household chores. Here we can see that hates here because this one is a feeling, alright, emotion. My colleagues look very cheerful today. Alright, why don't put s? Because colleagues is more than one. Some experts, alright, or we can say that my colleagues, alright, more than one. Some experts believe peers are more important to teens than family. Right, believe here, percaya. In this situation, we want to describe about the present here, but we use a stative verb here. We can say that believe here some experts, right? Because some experts more than one. It means it is, we can categorize as a plural, alright? However, some verbs can be both stative and action verbs, but with a change in meaning. For example here, my baby brother appears to be sleeping. Alright, present simple, seems, appears here. My classmates and I are appearing in a play about relationships. Alright, we know that present continuous here we can use performing. Alright, that is a quite simple explanation about present simple, present continuous, and stative verbs. Now let we discuss a little bit about the questions given in the page 9. Alright guys, let me talk about the exercise given here. Complete the sentences. Use the present simple or the present continuous. In which sentence could you use both but with a change in meaning? You can use both in a sentence. Alright, for example here, see here, I see my friends at the gym. Right, I'm saying my friends at the gym. Be here, my colleagues and I, right, we can see here, are discussing the new project right now. Alright, because this one is right now here, we can categorize as a present continuous. Alright, usually us. Alright, usually us, because I here means that the verb us here we don't need to put s or ing. I usually ask my coach for his advice. Alright, now we go for the next one. Complete the sentences and use the present simple or the present continuous. Alright, you understand why things their peers are important. Here we can say that the answer here, do you understand why things think their peers are important? Alright, do here we don't put es because of you. Right, you is special, we come back to the root word, we use do. My teacher, right, my teacher always criticize, right? Criticize me. It drives me crazy. This one is continuous, maybe always, because always do. We can conclude this one is a present continuous. My teacher is always criticizing. We need to plus ing because we use is, right? Number 3, mom and dad, right? Not give, right? Not give means here my brother and me money for cleaning our room. All right, mom and dad do not give my brother and me money for cleaning our room. Or we can say that mom and dad don't give because more than one mom and dad here. This is a plural. All right. At what temperature, okay, water freeze. All right, what temperature here means that at what means want to show one, okay, one of the temperature, right? And we can give an answer like this: at what temperature does water freeze, right? Does water freeze? DOES, water, as usual, freeze, right? No put ing. All right, we have a huge get together for all our relatives on Sunday. All right, this is a present continuous. Because of we here, we need to put are. We are having a huge get together for all our relatives on Sunday. All right, in this story, Papa Bear, all right, want sit in his chair first. All right, the situation here, right, want to say that in this story, one story here, there is not a continuous, and we can say this one is Papa Bear sits, SITSY, because Papa Bear is a singular, right? And then in this story, just we can say that this one is stories or reviews. All right, number 7, my colleges, okay, not working. We can say that because of my colleges, more than one here, we don't need to put is, we put are, and plus not. We can say that my colleges are not work. Here we plus ing because of the are here. As I said, there's a simple rules, are plus ing, right, for the present continuous. Are not working. All right, are not working. This we can. All right, yours, number 8 here. Your son ever talk to strangers? This is a question because your son here means refer to son, only one here. What we can say here, we need to do or does. Because of son here, we use does. Does your son ever talk to strangers? All right, question number 9. Okay, because of you, right, you, we need to use do or does. As I say that you, we come back to the root word to make it simple. Do you cook supper for your family every evening? All right, now for these questions, please try to do it first. It is about things and pocket money. If you have any problem, just leave your comment in the comment section, right? Just do it and good luck. Thank you.